Hello students, today I am going to explain you lesson number 3 of ENV water or water. Water. Water is very initial for our life. Initial means ज़रूरी है हमारे जीने के लिए. It will help us in our daily life like bathing, cooking, drinking, for etc. Bathing, drinking, cooking and cleaning our house. मतलब घर साफ करने के लिए, पानी पीने के लिए, नहाने के लिए. सुबह से लेकर रात तक पानी हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है और जिंदा रहने के लिए भी ज़रूरी है फॉर आवर लाइफ. वाटर. I will wash my face with water, said Munna to his nanny. In this line, Munna is saying to his nanny that he will wash his face with water. We all quench our thirst with water. Quench means satisfied our thirst. Thirst means हमारा पानी पीने की प्यास बुझाना. It means the quench. We are all alive because of water. Water has been with us for ages. Its story can fill so many pages. In this paragraph, we are alive because of water means पानी की वजह से हम पृथ्वी पे जिंदा हैं. वाटर हैज बीन विथ अस फॉर एजेस. एजेस मीन्स फ्रॉम द वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम वाटर इज देयर विथ अस. इट्स स्टोरी कैन फिल सो मैनी पेजेस. इफ वी कैन राइट essay or whatever on the water, we can write so many pages till 200 thousands. How many pages we can write if it's possible? Somewhere it is dew, somewhere it is snow. Steam is also water, as you know. Water has a form so many. That is what says my nanny. Somewhere it is dew. Dew means बूंदे जो हमें प्लांट्स के पत्तों पे दिखती है, वो बूंदे बूंदे किस स्वरूप में होते हैं. Somewhere it is snow. Snow means बर्फ, ice. Steam is also water. As you know, steam means if the boiling water's gas come out, it's called steam. Water has a forms so many. Forms means dew बूंद की स्वरूप में, snow, ice. If you will put the water into your freezer for some time, it will convert it into ice. So it's a second form. And steam, if you will boiling the water and its gas comes out, it's called steam. That is what says my nanny. The river flows, the water flows sing, and water swells in lakes and springs. In these lines, the river flow means the water is moving from here to there. Water flow. Singing means if the water is falling from up to down, it's feel that it is singing. Water swells in the legs means so many area is covered with water. It means lakes. Life on earth is as broad watered fields and life they got. But when the water breaks in floods, the great misfortune it always is work. A life on earth is as broad means just because of water we are alive on the earth means पानी की वजह से ही हम पृथ्वी पे जिंदा है. Watered field and life they got. Watered field means if we are plant water to planted, so the plant live and give us the fruits, vegetables, so many things. So water is a initial for plants also. So we have to fill water. But when the water breaks in floods, great misfortune, it always works. Means when over rain is done and the flood comes. Flood means because of so many water, so many things are destroyed to our surrounding areas. And if somebody is not well, great misfortunes is always work. Means if somebody is not well, we put not take to the hospital, school, colleges. So many things are disturbed in our routine lives just because of floods. So it means that the misfortunes is always works. Thank you.